Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to duplicate a page in Google Sites. This is the original Contact Us page, and this is the duplicated one. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. So first, go to sites.google.com and click on the website that you want to duplicate a page on. Then go to Pages. And here you will see a list of your current page, and let's say that I want to duplicate this Contact Us page. Simply click on these three dots and select duplicate. Where is it? Yes, this is it, duplicate page. You can name your duplicate page, and you can also give it a custom path or a custom page address. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites for Beginners online course today for free. Inside this online course, you will learn many things including Google Site basics and website setup, pages, navigations and site structure, header, banner and branding customization, design, layout and visual customization, also media, video and interactive content like how to insert a video, an audio, etc. Also, how to create forms, maps, and embed tools. You can also learn how to add a button in links, buttons, and call to actions, social media, footer and page elements, custom codes, tracking, and analytics, and at the end, domain, visitors, and website growth. To get all of this, plus my other online courses like Google Search Console, Brevo Email Marketing, Bluehost, Hostinger Website Builder, and Hostinger Email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. You can name your duplicate page, and you can also give it a custom path or a custom page address. Let's call it custom Contact Us page. Click on or duplicated Contact Us page, click on done, and just like that it was duplicated. And don't forget to click on this publish button 2 times to publish this duplicate page. Now let's view the published site. And as you see here, this is the original Contact Us page, and this is the copy, or this is the duplicated page with its custom page address. And this is how to duplicate a page in Google Sites. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you. Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to